So today I'm gonna explain about hooks in React. So two basic hooks, that is useEffect and useState hooks. So let's begin. So the title will be hooks. All right. So let's begin with the useState hook. useState hook. So what is an hook basically? An hook is provided by the React is a special kind of function that does special things for us. All right. Like, for example, use state hook. How we use it is use state returns two values that are a function to update the value and the updated value. Sorry for my bad handwriting. Please bear with it. Okay. So now let's move on. Let's see how we use it. So everyone knows about destructuring. So let's do the destructuring. Sorry, just a second. Yep. So useState returns two values in an array. Of course, it will return an array. Okay. So the first value is the value. The second value is set value is equal to use state, and here we pass in the initial value, or we can pass null empty array as the data structure you desire to have in the value. That kind of initial value you can pass. So what does useState do in a React application? Well well useState, whenever this value changes, the React component re-renders. So this is a very important question that interviewers ask. Whenever this value changes, the React component re-renders. All right. So this is how we do use state. Now let me explain one common case of use effect as well. So as the name suggests, use effect. Okay. All right. As the name suggests, it is used for side effects. So what are side effects? In an application, side effects are something like calling an API or set timeout. Something that take times is called side effects. All right. So let's first discuss only one use case. So there are around 3 to 4 use case of use effect. I will discuss two use cases. So basically, use effect is again a function because all hooks are function only. So use effect taking, we'll call it, and just a second, useEffect, and it takes an callback function. All right, and we will console.log and let's say ABC. Okay, so this will print ABC when will it print ABC? Do tell me in the comment section. Okay. Well, let me tell you that use effect is called just after the component has rendered and not before it, because many developers think that use effect is called after the component has, oh sorry, before the component has rendered. So it's actually called after the component has rendered. So also there's another use case of use effect, that is use effect like this and console.log ABC, and it takes a dependency array. So what is a dependency array? So dependency array is all the values that we use inside this code, or you want to add any other value of the component inside the here dependency, then it will rerun the or re-render the component. So what does use effect do? It re-renders the component. So for this case, it is called just once. For this case, it will be called when this dependency, let me write it, changes. So these were the two hooks that I explained today. I'll be continuing in my videos tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.